7 social media mistakes every business owner should avoid. Using follow loops and chains. First of all, totally like 4 years ago, but also people still do it, and it's super toxic for your social media account. Not staying consistent. Paying for followers. You don't need to pay for followers. You need to gain followers. You need to gain people who trust you, who think you're awesome, and who value you, who are actually going to purchase from your content, and that's not by buying followers. Not having a link in your bio. If you have it available, use it. Not knowing who your ideal audience is. I don't care if you're an influencer, a small business owner, or just a creator. If you don't know who you're creating for, you're going to miss your target and you're never going to grow. Not using short form video. It's what's in. Everybody's doing it. You kind of need to do it. Sorry. Lastly, forgetting to add in a call to action, because people don't know what you want them to do unless you say this is what you should do. So hit the follow button.